and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank! Or should I say Ratchet, without Clank. Because it's only one player! Seriously, who calls it? What's Clank gonna do? Be a NPC? Not playing character? This is Ninja Master. Yeah. It's not a very good idea for him to do this. Because I was really hoping for a 2-player. That would have been awesome.
Maybe later on you'll play as Clank.
Yeah, maybe.
Of the space-time continuum?
What?
Is a funny story.
You're reckless, you're a loose cannon, and you're dangerous. That's my shtick.
Wait, God, just give me a chance.
Decent.
Galaxy and Germany,
Stick?
get back out there. And remember, you can do anything.
You just rejected me!
Next! Meanwhile, on planet
Wow.
Torgu, Dr. Nefarious, the mad scientist who made all of this possible.
Mad suggests cognitive impairment. I'm more of a vengeful scientist. I trust you're here to meet the troops.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime hub.
What?
Hello.
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction.
Huh?
In 3, 2.
Oh, a defect. Go play, Victor.
That's your fault. Oh, wow, I'm going to play him.
The helpless defect knew that his best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vents, he might just make it out of there alive.
Escape the factory. This is Clank.
I said, if he could run to the vent, he just might make it out of there alive.
Oh. Let's trash this place, man. Clank.
You never disappoint.
And slap that button.
People's defect
Slap that thing too.
to survive
Oh, blew up a gate.
never lay in his path.
Slap, slap,
The young
slap.
robot spotted a springbot ahead of him and knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity.
Gravity? Huh. That was easy. This looks familiar. Ah!
Oh my.
Oh,
You're running, you useless piece of scrap.
whoa, missed me. I don't like what you have to do next.
Get back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot. Oh no, water.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power box. This device could power up a variety of machines, but where should he throw it?
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling.
Where did I put this?
What seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, German. I've got it right where I want it.
Where do I go? Ah. What? Good enough. Okay. Slap that button. Oh, don't worry about me. I just fell in the lava. don't look so familiar. Him again?
Run from me?
Yes.
That rude again.
Get back!
What? Now lose?
You think you can run from me?
Not that rude again.
What?
You think you can run from me?
Not that rude again.
Ah!
Get back here, you miserable defect! Try outrunning this! I'm gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket!
What? That was no fair!
Is it the same spot?
Apparently. That's no
You think you can run from me?
Not that rude again.
Get back here, you miserable defect!
What? That was no fair. You try.
How do you run and how do you jump?
You press X and twice to double jump. Move the stick, left stick to move, and yeah, you gotta run from.
You think you can run from
You
me?
gotta jump over his lasers. You gotta outrun his things. Yep. And then you gotta double jump when he uses his little like slasher. Okay, laser, jump up.
Get back here, you miserable defect!
Jump up.
Try outrunning this!
Okay, you gotta dodge fire at this stage. Yeah, I hate that thing because it's a KO. It does like 10, 20. It looks like it just seems like it does 20 damage, which is so not
Think you
fair.
can run from me?
Not that rude again.
I need a hack. I just need a hack so I can get part and past this part.
Get back here, you miserable defect! Try outrunning this! I'm gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket!
What? What happened?
I made it. Oh, I thought I did.
You think
That's
you can
not
run from
They
fair.
didn't show him
We
laying
just
down.
beat it. How did we fall off the edge? We're not allowed to fall off.
Oh,
the
that was it was?
Yeah.
Oh!
How?
You think
Does
you can
anyone
run from
really?
me?
Does anyone know a hack for this
Again.
stage? Seriously, this stage should have been put on there. Because It's impossible.
Get back here, you miserable
Almost ran off
defect.
again.
Try outrunning this. I'm gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket.
What? That stage is impossible.
You think you can run
It's
from
like
me?
he's on 2 attacks at once at the same level, so there's no way to dodge it.
Get back here, you miserable defect. Try outrunning this. I'm gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket.
Okay, then after that he does a slash. Jump!
Water. Ah!
Okay, grab that squirt and no, grab that grenade. Square. No. No. At that.
I must escape.
Okay. This is impossible. Finally, that last stage was impossible. I think those are a little big for him. Hi. Right now. All right. Okay, you got me. Oh no, the lightning's gonna get me as well.
Computer. Set coordinates for the Galactic Ranger home base.
Destination set. You will never make it. But hey, what are you gonna do?
What?
Oh dear.
You'll never make it, but what? But what? What's it gonna do? That was a very negative computer. Let me get like one more episode. That was so not fair. We defeated the whole entire thing,
Ranger.
yet they never even allowed us. You can do anything if you're me.
What?
I think he has a huge ego. Okay, so this is why, but seriously, it's not very good. A very good reason.
Huh?
Oh,
4, 3,
what?
1.
Why did he have that clean? It's like he was like Spider-Man for a moment. I was gonna shoot it into the sky.
No vector shot.
Luckily, all those screens were there. Oh,
To Alero City. They are in danger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger? An army is coming. I must warn them. Hang on. Slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time. Thank you. I appreciate the assistance. It's no problem. So, what do I call you? I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect V54290.
come on.
Maybe I'll just call you
Clank.
My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
William thought straight through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he leave the proto-engine on in the garage?
What?
The answer to all these questions was yes.
The what's in the garage?
Hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Oh, I'm not supposed to attack these things? Oh, that blew up. Whee! 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 Okay, I'm just gonna end the episode there, cause time limit. Yeah. So bye.